What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're doing a little bit, you might say, spring cleaning. I got my brother over here and we're just picking up trash around the house, trying to do a little dirt work. And I got to show you what happened. I borrowed my buddy Bo's tractor this morning to kind of dress the place up a little bit. And check this out. She's stuck. Yeah, I got her buried up. Right here where my propane line goes. The line's like actually right there in front, but it is a swamp right here. And that's what I was trying to do, is fill all this in. That way the water just won't be standing here and won't be so swampy. You can see we've got a lot of this cleaned up. This is what I'm doing. I'm trying to dress this back up a little bit, get all this cleaned. And I'll show you, we got the back porch pretty much cleaned off. Getting it ready for the spring. We got to get the screen put up now. We got everything ready to go. Check this out. So yeah, we got the back porch looking good. We still need to finish it out and get the grill and all that, but that was one of them things. If we could afford to do it then, we will. But now we're kind of going to do it as we go. But yeah, that was, if you guys remember, there was a mess. So we're going to get this cleaned up today. What's up, Vince?
Hey, hey, hey.
You ready to do a little work?
Jesus!
That's right, that's right. Man, you've been wearing that shirt off a lot. Didn't you see like 50 of them?
I got 50 of these shirts.
You know, the Reckless ought to give them away. They ought to go check out your YouTube channel. Maybe you can get some shirts away.
Absolutely. For Reckless sake, go check it out.
That's right. But yeah, so we're going to work on getting this unstuck. Vincent actually went and got some hay for me while I was getting stuck. So he's back. We've got my truck, got some chains, and we're just going to see if we can unhook it. See if we can get it unstuck. Shouldn't be a big deal. This is going to be a good day. Hopefully we get it unstuck and it continues to be a good day. Vince, I just follow you around the camera and just let you do stuff all day, you know? You got your own personal camera guy.
I'm talking about.
What do you think about that?
That sounds pretty good.
Double wrap, huh? All right. All right. Easy. Hey, nothing to it. The old 99 Chevy got the job done. You can just see just how swampy this is. If you guys watching my videos, I'm outside. It's usually just full of water. So that's what I'm going to work on today. I'm going to try to just fill this in. And I got some clay gravel stacked up over there somewhere. I'm going to lay it in here and maybe that'll pack down a little bit better. What's up, Lily? What's up, Vince?
Hey, getting stuff done.
Man, this is like I said, my buddy Bo's little tractor thing's awesome. It's 4-wheel drive. I probably would have got it. I wouldn't have got it stuck. But I didn't put the 4-wheel drive in time. I already buried it up before I started using the 4-wheel drive. It's my fault. No big deal. Came right out. So we're gonna get some stuff done. We'll show you a little bit what we're going on today. Hope you guys like the rest of the vlog. Okay, you guys can probably see we got a little bit of a burn pile going right here. Like the first nice day we've got in months that we're able to get out here and do this without high winds. It's just been so windy lately I couldn't burn this pile I had. A lot of y'all are gonna say, man, why you burning all that good wood? You know, there's so many nails and stuff in there. They use this stuff for forming. It's got cement all over it. I used to just save everything. Right now we're just in the cleanup mode, and then we can start from scratch after that. But we just got to get this stuff cleaned up, looking nice out here. That way it's just not like a mess from all the construction over the last 8-9 months for building this house. So yeah, there's probably a few good pieces of wood in there, but for the most part they're just full of holes and nails, and that's just not something I want to mess with. And if some of y'all want it, you should have came got it while I had it, because I've been sitting here for a while. We're gonna get finished unloading this trailer. We're just burning the wood, nothing else, no trash, nothing like that. It's just basically just wood and maybe some cardboard boxes. Other than that, we're taking everything else to the dump probably within the next couple of weeks. So we'll see what else we got going on today. Oh, I've been working on this a little bit over here. Like you guys seen, it is just a muddy swamp right here. This is just gonna have to dry out pretty much before I can do anything else to it. You can see it's just a swamp right here. Over here it's more rock. This is more part of the old field that we built on, and that's got all the foundation, or not foundation, but that's got all the clay gravel over there, so that's not near as wet. I'm able to work that a little bit. And basically all I was trying to do is there's humps, and I was just basically trying to slope it away from the house a little bit this way, like that. Really what I think I'm going to end up doing is probably going to bring some sod in and just sod the backyard and around the house, and just see how that works. I've heard a lot of good things about it. That stuff grows about anywhere. You see them putting it on the highways and the ditches and stuff, and it grows. So that might be one of the options I do, just for the backyard and probably the front where it slopes down. I'll come over here and show you all that. It is a nice day today. I was very fortunate to be able to borrow a tractor from my buddy just up the road. I felt like I was about Amish driving down the highway this morning. That's what they do out here. They just drive them tractors down the road. Let's see over here. I'll show you kind of just this area too. Probably maybe bring some sod in right here. What do you guys think about that? That's a pretty good option. Let me show you right here. And all around here, I could lay some. I got some topsoil back behind the house, a big old pile. I was thinking about laying some out all through here, and then bringing some sod down here just like that, just going down into the yard all the way around. Just trying to get this place cleaned up and looking good. Something kind of cool, Rambo's kind of got him a job today. We have a neighbor just right over there who does pictures, and she's doing her spring photos, and she was wanting to use a lamb, and really the only lamb that was tame enough to use would be Rambo. So I'm actually gonna have to catch Rambo here in a little bit, get him ready for her to come over and get him tonight. So Rambo, you're gonna be some pictures. You give him some milk, he's happy. Let's see what old Jesse. Oh, Jesse. Jesse, I got you some straw, some hay. I'll bring it here in a little bit, buddy. Jesse. I gave him some feed a little bit ago. He ain't ate a whole lot of it since this morning. Jesse, you want to go out and play? Huh? As soon as I do, you just want me to come back in here and eat. So that's basically all I got going on today, is trying to dress some stuff up. I'm going to show you this over here. They're going crazy back there. They want some feed bad. But I'm going to try to make this where we could drive up on the slab into the garage, or at least Brandy can. So I got the tractor still, so I've been working on the gravel over here, just kind of ripping some up off the driveway. I tried to get a couple loads this morning from the rock quarry down the road, but they were just booked up, so I scheduled for next Friday. So I'll try to get some in there. I'll show you what I got going on right here. You can see I just kind of dug some up, and I'm gonna slope it off, at least where she can drive the van up in there. So I'll show you guys doing that. Well, you know, got the truck up on the slab. That's the first time a truck's been up there ever, so that's good. I've been waiting to get some gravel in here, but like I said earlier, gravel wasn't coming, so I just kind of made do with what I had. I just used the box blade to get some of this up, and that way I was able to just kind of slope it off right here. And we'll bring some more, probably some chat in, I guess, driveway chat, and we'll put over this 3-inch. But we'll get a chance to pack this down pretty good if I bring that in next week. So the day turned out kind of bad getting the tractor stuck. We got unstuck and everything turned around. I'm actually got quite a bit done today. I didn't show you guys near the amount of stuff that I did get done, but we did a lot of cleaning and still got a lot of cleaning to do. But I'm happy with what we got done today. That's all that matters. It turned out to be a great day, and thanks so much for watching, guys. I know you guys probably been wondering where I've been, because I've kind of been hit and miss with the videos here lately. I'm going to try to pick back up here within this week, so I'll have more updates with quails, chickens, Jesse, sheep, all that, the things that you guys like seeing and enjoy watching from our family. So you guys, like I always say, thanks so much for supporting the channel. You guys are always smashing that like button and leaving nice comments. We greatly appreciate it. You guys, thanks so much, and we'll catch you on the next video.